for Information and Broadcasting, Animal Husbandry and Fisheries, Shri Dr. L. Muruganji, Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports, Shri Udayanidhi Stalinji, officials from the Government of India and Government of Tamil Nadu, distinguished coaches, athletes, friends from media, ladies and gentlemen, it is my honor and pleasure to be here amongst you today at the opening ceremony of the 6th edition of the Khelo India Youth Games to be held in the state of Tamil Nadu. Let me first welcome the Honorable Prime Minister of India, the world's most popular leader in the city of Chennai. I also extend my warm welcome to Honorable Chief Minister, Honorable Governor and the dignitaries on the dais. The Khelo India scheme was launched 7 years ago as a brainchild of our Honorable Prime Minister, with a vision to boost a strong sporting culture at the grassroots level and to build a framework for all sports played in our country, establishing India as a great sporting nation. The Khelo India has been so successful that 41 medals won in the Asian Games 2023 were because of Khelo India Games and the Khelo India program. Today, we are also celebrating the launch of DD Tamil, as our Honorable Prime Minister will be launching, inaugurating and laying the foundation stone of various projects of Prasar Bharati worth rupees 280 crore rupees. The launch of DD Tamil with fresh entertainment content and an enhanced news presentation will provide the people of Tamil Nadu with a superior broadcasting experience. DD Tamil will be the first state channel of Doordarshan to be telecasted in the high definition technology. You might recall there was a time when a decade ago the country used to make headlines for the corruption in the field of sports, but today we can say with the best efforts in the last 10 years, India is talking about the medal tallies today, the achievement of our sports persons. Now we are witnessing not just the beginning of sporting event, but the igniting of a passion for sports, for excellence, and for the spirit of Khelo India. Today, under the grand vision and the strong leadership of Prime Minister Modi, India has excelled in sports. Be it in the Olympic Games, Paralympic Games, Asian Games, Para-Asian Games, and Commonwealth Games, our athletes have made us proud wherever they go. This is for the first time India has scored more than 100 medals in the Asian Games by winning 107 medals in the Asian Games and 111 medals in the Para-Asian Games. While speaking at the International Olympic Committee session at Mumbai, Prime Minister Modi spoke about India's bid to host the Youth Olympics in 2030 and to host the Summer Olympics in India in 2036 is a testament to his vision. As the government seeks to leave no stone unturned in its preparation, now it's your turn, young athletes, to take up the torch and write your chapters in the epic saga. Tamil Nadu, whenever they have been given the responsibility, have successfully executed prominent events like the Asian Champions Trophy Hockey Tournament, the Squash World Cup, and the 44th Chess Olympiad. Earlier, when we used to mention Tamil Nadu and chess, the whole country used to think about Vishwanathan Anand. But now there is an 18-year-old phenomenon who has excelled beyond imagination, is now India's highest ranked chess player. He is none other than R. Pragnananda. He has not only won the hearts of the Indians, but has also emerged as a global youth icon. Now we are unveiling a magnificent stage for the 6th edition of Khelo India Youth Games. These games are about pushing boundaries and embracing the spirit of youthum. From today to 31st January 2024, 5,630 young athletes from across the country will compete in 26 competitive sports, will battle it out for the glory, fueled by the athletic zeal and the unwavering spirit of sportsmanship. The thrill of squash making its debut in the Khelo India Youth Games. And in this edition, the ancient glory of Silambam showcased as a demo sport. We are building a nation where every child has the chance to experience the joy of sports, embrace a healthy lifestyle, and contribute to India's rise as a global sporting superpower house. Together, we are building a robust ecosystem where future champions will find their wings, where dreams can take flight, and where the spirit of Khelo India ignites a nationwide passion for sports. As the pride of Tamil Nadu, we have selected Thiruvalluvar as the symbolic figurehead for the Khelo India Youth Games 2023, stands as a profound homage to his enduring legacy. For the young athletes who stand before me today, remember this: Khelo India Youth Games is not just about winning medals. It's about pushing your limits, embracing the spirit of fair play, and forging friendships that will last forever. Let us remember that Khelo India is more than just a competition. It is a national mission, a movement to create a fitter, healthier, and more vibrant India. It's about empowering young minds and bodies, instilling the values of discipline, dedication, and camaraderie. Let me also thank the Honorable Prime Minister for increasing the Khelo India and the Sports Department budget 3 times in the last 10 years, which is a big boost for the Games. And let me also thank the Honorable Prime Minister for coming out with a vision of Khelo India and also the schemes like Target Olympic Podium Scheme. Thank you, Honorable Prime Minister. This has helped us to nurture the talent and make them a winners at the international level. To the people of Tamil Nadu, I say this: open your hearts and homes to these young stars of tomorrow. Cheer them on, guide them, and be their unwavering support. Your enthusiasm will fuel their spirit and leave an indelible mark on their journey. So let the roars of the crowds commence. Let the spirit of Khelo India resonate through every corner of Tamil Nadu. And let the journey we begin today pave the way for a generation of sporting heroes etched in the pages of Indian sporting history. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vanakkam.
Thank you so much, sir, for that very motivational address. We will open our hearts and our homes to the stars of tomorrow. Thank you once again for being here, and thank you for your wonderful words. Ladies and gentlemen, it is time to welcome our leader of the masses. A truly inspirational figure, he has been at the forefront of many revolutionary measures that have made Namma Tamil Nadu a landmark state. An ardent sports watcher, he has always encouraged and supported the growth of sports in Tamil Nadu. With great admiration for his steadfast commitment and his vision, it is time to welcome him with a big round of applause. உங்களுடைய பலத்த கரகோஷங்களுடன், let's welcome to the podium the Honorable Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, திரு M.K. Stalin அவர்கள், for his address.
On behalf of the Tamil Nadu government, I welcome our Honorable Prime Minister, Thiru Narendra Modi, who is here to inaugurate the Khelo India Games. I also welcome Honorable Tamil Nadu Governor, Honorable Union Minister Thiru Anurag Singh Thakur, Honorable Union Ministers of State Thiru Nisit Pramanik, Thiru L. Murugan, மாண்புமிகு அண்ணன் துரைமுருகன் உள்ளிட்ட அமைச்சர் பெருமக்களே, வரவேற்புரையாற்றிய மாண்புமிகு இளைஞர் நலன் மற்றும் விளையாட்டு மேம்பாட்டுத்துறை அமைச்சர் உதயநிதி அவர்களே, சட்டமன்ற நாடாளுமன்ற உறுப்பினர்களே, உள்ளாட்சி அமைப்புகளின் பிரதிநிதிகளே, மதிப்பிற்குரிய தலைமைச் செயலாளர் அவர்களே, அரசு உயர் அலுவலர்களே, பத்திரிகை மற்றும் ஊடகத்துறையை சார்ந்த நண்பர்களே, உங்கள் அனைவருக்கும் எனது மாலை வணக்கத்தை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். Extend a speech welcome to eminent sports persons and coaches from all over India. எல்லாருக்கும் எல்லாம், அனைத்து துறை வளர்ச்சி, அனைத்து மாவட்ட வளர்ச்சி, அனைத்து சமூக வளர்ச்சி என்பதை உள்ளடக்கமாக கொண்ட நம்ம திராவிட மாடல் ஆட்சியில் அனைத்து துறைகளிலும் தமிழ்நாடு முதன்மை மாநிலமாக வளர உழைச்சிக்கிட்டு வரோம். $1 டிரில்லியன் பொருளாதாரம் என்பது எப்படி நம்ம இலக்கோ, அதே போல தமிழ்நாட்டை இந்தியாவோட விளையாட்டு தலைநகரமாக நிலைநிறுத்துறதும் நம்ம குறிக்கோள். இந்த இலக்கை நோக்கி பயணிக்கிற மாண்புமிகு இளைஞர் நலன் மற்றும் விளையாட்டு மேம்பாட்டுத்துறை அமைச்சர் உதயநிதி அவர்களை நான் பாராட்டுகிறேன். திராவிட முன்னேற்ற கழக அரசு பொறுப்பேற்ற பிறகு சென்னை மாமல்லபுரத்தில் 44வது செஸ் ஒலிம்பியாட் போட்டி, ADP சேலஞ்சர் டூர், சென்னை ஓபன் சேலஞ்ச்